This short video is an introduction to BoB, or Box of Broadcasts as its longer name is. So we'll cover what it is, what you can use it for, how you access it and set up an account, how the search works, how you can request a program for recording, and then look at some of the other features that BoB has. So BoB is an on-demand TV and radio service for education. So it's a bit like iPlayer in that it has lots of TV and radio programs on it for you. But unlike iPlayer and some of the other online equivalents, is that once something is on BoB, it stays on there. They're not on there for a limited period of time. So it covers over 75 channels from Freeview and FreeSat. The 7 most popular TV channels are automatically recorded after broadcasts, such as BBC 1, 2, 4, ITV, Channel 4, More 4 and Channel 5. Programs on other channels will need to be requested by the user unless they've been requested already, but we'll cover that later on in this screencast. You'll find links to BoB on the My Library pages that you can access from My UCA. If you go via your course or subject area, you'll end up on our subject pages. From there, just go to Moving Images and you'll find a link for BoB there. You can also find it by going to Finding and Using Resources, then Finding and Accessing Resources, and if you go to Images, it's there. If you access via our links from LibGuides, you should end up on this screen. So you would select that you're a UCA student as normal. And then the first time that you use BoB, you'll have to create an account, and you should see the following screen where you're asked to put in an email address and a name, and then hit the register button. You may end up on this screen instead. In this case, you would just click on Sign In, then search for University for the Creative Arts in the box, and you will end up on the same screen to create an account. You will then receive an email from Learning on Screen. On that email there will be a URL. Just click on that URL, it will verify your account, and then you'll be good to go. Click on Search at the top. This will bring up the search bar. So if you search for a program or a word, a term or person, and hit Search, it will bring back quite a number of results. So I'm going to just click on Search again and then go to Search Options, because by default it will search all fields, and all fields includes the transcripts. So it will search through the transcripts of every word said in each program. So you may find it easier to exclude that and then do your search again, and the search results will be much more manageable and accurate, as it's only searching the titles and basic information about each program. Most programs that you find will have this available to watch now, so that when you click on the title, it will allow you to watch that program. As we kind of covered before, it doesn't automatically record and add all programs to its kind of database. So if you see a program that you want to access, like this one that says request this program, you'll need to just click on it to request it. You will then see something like here on the left. It says this program is being prepared, it will be available later today, and they'll send me an email when it's ready. For this particular example, there says there's already another copy there which I could access from here, and you'll often see that where programs are repeats. Another way to find programs is to go to the guide here and browse through the different days to find out what's on. It may be there's a particular program that you know was on yesterday, and you can just browse through here rather than using the search. So once you go into a program by clicking on the title, there's a viewer screen and a few other options for things to do with the program. So you can play the program there. So that you've got an add to playlist option, so you could create a playlist of TV programs or films on a theme, save them and group them together. There's also a share option, so you can share, you can embed the video, you can share a link to people, which is very useful. And also there's an option for make clip, so that will allow you to clip a section of the program which you can then save and use another time or share. The Show Transcript button will show you the transcript and all the wording from the program or film. And then if you scroll down, you'll have all of the information here that you need to provide a reference if you need to reference the program or film in the UCA Harvard style.